Just preparing a little shore lunch with the fresh catch of the day for you guys to try out while you're doing a little fishing, waiting around.
Amazing, amazing.
I think there's lake trout and grayling in there. Thinner, smaller pieces are going to be your grayling. The thicker is going to be the trout.
Who's this lovely lady?
This is Lisa.
Ah, great name. Nice to meet you as well. Oh, this looks amazing, you guys.
Oh, we're having fish.
Yeah. Imagine that. We're fishing and we're gonna have fish. No?
I know how to do it. You have to hold it like that. Don't worry, I tell him the other day, don't put your fingers in
Oh, he jumped right over the hook. Oh, all right. So lunch was amazing. I mean, there is nothing like eating fresh cooked fish outdoors and enjoying. So Mike and Brad left. They went back to the main lake to do a bunch of lake trout fishing, and Todd and Lisa have gone back to the lodge. So I've decided to take a little adventure and go up the Wolf River and see if I can't catch a few more Arctic grayling on the fly.
I'm gonna chase it, and I'm gonna chase it. I know we can't ignore it, no matter how hard we try. And I'm gonna chase it, and I'm gonna chase it. I know we can't ignore it.
They're just jumping everywhere. Okay. All right. I got one. Fish. Look at this miracle. This is amazing.
Living the moment till I die. And I'm gonna chase it, and I'm gonna chase it. I know we can't ignore it, no matter how hard we try. And I'm gonna chase it, and I'm gonna chase it. I know we can't ignore it, no matter how hard we try. No matter how hard we try.
Oh, gorgeous fish. Look at that.
We try.
Bye-bye.
Hey, Lisa.
Hey!
How was the day?
It was, that was phenomenal.
Yeah, excellent.
Yeah, actually, like, figured out a few things, got on them.
Nice. That's great. That's a good day then.
Yeah, 100%.
Ready to try some laker fishing?
Yeah, let's
Okay.
get back at it.
Absolutely. Let's go do some of that for a while.
All right, I'll put this away and
Great.
here we go. Ooh, awesome. Let's get on some lake trout, eh?
Yes. Seemed like it calmed down a bit on my way back. So.
Nice.